Sensor or lens dirt on your shots? No problem. You can remove this easily. Hi, this is Saifiz with another useful tutorial. Recently I was shooting in a dusty area and wasted couple of shots because of the dust on the sensor, which was visible in the shots taken. You can see these shots are completely useless now. Today I am gonna show you how to remove the dust spots from a moving shot on DaVinci Resolve. I think this particular shot is good example to work on. I did some basic color grading on this shot. First I'll create a node. Then I will place a power window on top of the first spot. Adjust and place it carefully. Then I will go to Effect tab and look for object removal. Apply the effect on the node. Check the mask is on top of the dirt or not by selecting Show Mask Overlay. Then I'll go to Scene mode and change it to Object. After that I will change the number on Analyze Overlay to 38. I'll change the Blend mode to Adjustive Blend and change the number of search range to 11. Now it's time to click on Scene Analyze. It will take some time to analyze frame by frame. Once it's done, the magic happens. Now as you can see, the first spot is gone. Now it's time to remove the second spot. I'll make another node for it and follow the similar process for the second spot. This is how you can clean the sensor or lens dirt from a moving shot. Hope you find this video useful. That's it for today. I will come back with another useful tutorial. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.